Users tell us that Dokkio helps them in 4 ways: juggle projects, find documents, research materials, and organize content. Dokkio helps you juggle projects, customers, or activities, get laser focused on a specific project or the latest updates, and quickly switch to the next one. Dokkio finds documents, wherever they live. It's a single place to search across PDFs, documents, images, and email in the cloud, browsed web pages, or on your desktop. Dokkio organizes content, whether it's marketing materials, engineering specs, or photos across the years. Dokkio automatically tags, summarizes, and adds captions. And Dokkio makes web research easier. It detects the topics, people, or companies you focus on and automatically saves and tags relevant web pages you visit. Whether one of these or all 4 apply to you, Dokkio is a tool that makes you more productive. Try Dokkio today for free.